saying? Today finna be the day I finally go get my wheels, y'all. Today is the day I finally go get the wheels. Look at it, just glistening, y'all. Motherfucker glistening. But right now I'm finna go eat. They said the wheels won't be ready till 12. So right now I'm just finna go get something to eat. Then I'm finna go get Wheezy, expected. It's about that time. But yeah, bro, let me get y'all this cool start. See y'all boys later. So the old wheels coming off. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, that's the tire shop I'm getting my shit at. They get supplied. Obviously they get replicas. But some of these look OEM. Shit, let me make it up. Hold on. To get my AirPods. Can't keep losing them. Let's see what else they got. Of course, the tire and wheel shop. That's all they got. These are like GMC Silverado type rips. These rips kind of hard, especially when them people be putting them drop trucks. Put them on them drop trucks. Yeah, I fucked those. They also got these in stock, the 9.5. I could have got these, but everybody got these on with the 5 spokes. Only people got 5 spokes are people with Hellcats. I don't got a Hellcat, but still. Got a video coming through about how much I paid for my car. Down payment, like type of credit you need, gas, all of that stuff. Yeah, bro, y'all stay tuned for when this shit done. These hoes don't look bad at all. Old tires. They still dirty when I had the accident. I feel like these are front tires because these are the only tires that didn't get replaced. Yep. No tread. No fucking tread. This is why. This is the only reason I had the accident. If these tires had tread, I probably would have had my car for that whole month. I'm gonna get a car wash for no reason. This still, you know. Yeah, they got a lot of replicas here. But this is where I got my wheels. Came with the wheels and the tires. Yeah, I ain't spending all that at all with these fucking tires. I'm fucking with the wheels, bro. Fucking with them. Worse. These are fucking worse. This is my 3rd set. I've only been getting the back 2 replaced. So the front 2 I had since I got the car. With these back 2, I've been changing them out like, I don't know, every time I burn out shit. And the only reason these didn't get changed out before I had the wreck was because I was waiting to actually get these wheels before I spent money on any more tires. And I thought it was a good idea to not spend money. But turns out I needed this shit. This is hard. Probably gonna look better with tire shine and fucking when the car is back on the fucking ground. Yeah, bro, this is why I got to. Not because I was speeding. None of that dumb shit. Hydroplane because I had no fucking tree. Well, she's still listening though. She's still listening. I know you see the lights working. You feel me? Shout out to each one that you can see. Yeah, bro. I really don't think I want these tires anymore. Okay. Yeah, I really don't want those. Yeah, I want them. I can come up here. I'll put the address somewhere on the video. I mean, I don't think I don't want them because they got them scratches on them. Por aquí? Yeah, bro, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks when it's dropped. Finally got put on and these babies sit right.
Hey, can we put your seats out?
I don't think so.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Okay. Learn something new every day.
Put your seat up.
Probably the seatbelt.
Todo. Y aquí va otro, güey.
So they're putting the rest of my tires in the trunk. Damn, these hoes hard, bro. And they gave me some new legs in this one. And this is the key to take them hoes out. I gotta show y'all a better video of them when I get out this garage. But these hoes sitting right. These bitches sitting right. Y'all can't tell me this shit ain't loud, bro. Just the tires a little assy, bro. This shit loud, bro. Can't tell me this shit not loud. I'm satisfied with my purchase, y'all. I'm fucking satisfied.